Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to link bank account with Square. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for squareup.com. After that, open the official website and sign into your account. Once signed in, you will be sent to your account's dashboard. Here, click on your profile icon at top right corner and a menu will slide onto your screen. Inside this menu, select Account Settings and all of the available settings will be displayed. Here, click on the Business Information tab and then select Bank Accounts from the drop-down menu. Now, under the All Locations header, click on this arrow icon and select Add External Bank Account. Inside this dialog box, click on Link External Bank Account, and then you will be asked to either enter your bank details automatically or manually. I will select the second option. You can see that it is now prompting to enter my account details. Once you enter them, click on this Verify button to confirm the action. So that's basically how you can link bank account with Square. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.